In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove games from your cart on Steam in just 5 minutes. Whether you've been experimenting with new games or simply added too many items, clearing your cart is a quick and straightforward task. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll need to open your Steam application. If you haven't already launched it, go ahead and open it now. You can do this by clicking on the Steam icon located on your desktop or by searching for it in your applications folder. Once the app opens, you'll be greeted by the Steam homepage, a familiar gateway to your gaming world. Next, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button typically found in the upper right corner of the application window. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your account credentials. This means typing in your account name and your password. Remember to double check that these details are correct to avoid any issues signing in. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the sign in button. This will take you to your personalized Steam page. If you're new to Steam or you haven't enabled it already, consider setting up two-factor authentication for added security. It's a great way to keep your account safe. With your account up and running, direct your attention to the Store tab. You should find this located at the top of the page. Clicking on it will lead you to the main store interface where you can browse a myriad of games and applications. Now locate the cart button. It's usually represented by a small shopping cart icon. Clicking this will display the list of games and items that you've added to your cart. Whether you have one game or several, you'll be able to see everything in an organized list. You have a couple of options here. If you're looking to just remove a single game or a few select items, simply select the game you want to remove and click on the remove option nearby. This will immediately eliminate the game from your cart, allowing you to refocus on the items that matter more to you. Alternatively, if you've gone a bit overboard and your cart is filled with items you no longer want, consider using the remove all items option. Scroll down a bit to find this function. Clicking on it will empty your entire cart in one go. It's a convenient tool if you need to start fresh, but remember to confirm your decision before proceeding, as this will clear all selected items. And there you have it, a clean and easy way to manage your shopping cart on Steam. Follow these steps anytime you need a little digital decluttering. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.